Have you ever wondered where in Germany you can find breathtaking landscapes that look like they've been painted by the brush of a master artist? Today, we embark on a visual journey through Germany's most picturesque landscapes, from the whispering treetops of lush, expansive forests to the soaring heights of majestic alpine vistas. Each scene offers a unique story. Prepare to be captivated by the diversity and beauty of these regions, each more spellbinding than the last. Stay tuned as we explore some of the most stunning scenic areas Germany has to offer. Dive into the enchanting depths of the Black Forest, a place that inspired countless fairy tales. Nestled in the heart of Germany, this legendary forest stretches its dark, dense branches across the landscape, creating a canopy of ancient mysteries and stories. As you wander deeper into the forest, the air fills with the timeless tick-tock of traditional cuckoo clocks, each one meticulously crafted by local artisans. These iconic timepieces are not just souvenirs, they are heirlooms, echoing the meticulous craftsmanship and storied past of the region. Beneath the thick foliage, mist-covered mountains rise majestically, shrouded in a veil of ethereal fog. These peaks serve as silent sentinels over the forest, their summits peeking through the clouds, offering breathtaking views that seem to transport onlookers to another world. For the adventurous at heart, the Black Forest boasts a myriad of scenic hiking routes. Each trail winds through lush woodlands, opening up to enchanting vistas and hidden glades. Imagine pausing by a babbling brook, the water clear and cold, as it cascades over rocks, smoothed by time. Charming villages dot the landscape, each with its own unique allure. Take for instance Triberg, renowned not only for its stunning waterfalls but also as a vibrant hub of Black Forest culture. Here, tradition is alive and well, and every corner offers a story. The Black Forest isn't just a forest, it's a gateway to a magical world. From lush green valleys to snow-capped peaks, the Bavarian Alps are a spectacle of nature. Nestled in the heart of Europe, the Bavarian Alps stretch majestically across the landscape, offering a blend of breathtaking beauty and thrilling adventure. At the pinnacle of this alpine paradise stands the Zugspitze, Germany's highest peak, soaring into the sky at nearly 3,000 meters. This towering giant offers panoramic views that stretch across borders, touching the horizon with a frosty embrace. Descending from these lofty heights, we find the serene Lake Königssee, a pristine body of water that mirrors the sky and surrounding cliffs with crystal clarity. This lake, often hailed as the most beautiful in Germany, invites visitors to explore its tranquil waters via electric boats that glide silently over the surface, ensuring a peaceful communion with nature. For those seeking more exhilarating pursuits, the Bavarian Alps do not disappoint. The town of Garmisch, known for its world-class ski resorts, transforms into a winter wonderland, where skiers and snowboarders carve their paths through powdery snow. As seasons change, these snowy slopes give way to verdant trails perfect for hiking, particularly in the Berchtesgaden National Park. Here, adventurers can traverse paths that wind through lush forests and ascend rocky outcrops, each step offering a new perspective of alpine glory. The Bavarian Alps offer more than just breathtaking views, they invite adventure. Flow along the Rhine River where every bend tells a story of romance and legend. Imagine a river that has inspired poets, painters, and composers through the ages. The Rhine River, with its grand flow from the Swiss Alps to the North Sea, is truly the heart of European lore. As we journey through the Rhine Valley, the scene unfolds like a living tapestry adorned with majestic castles, ancient ruins, and lush vineyards cascading down to the water's edge. Here the castles stand as sentinels of the past, each with its own tale of knights and nobility. These fortresses, perched dramatically atop high hills, seem to whisper secrets of medieval times to those who pass by. The Rhine Valley's beauty is not just in its landscapes, but in its ability to transport you to a different era, where history feels alive and tangible. Among the most enchanting spots along the Rhine is the Lorelei Rock. Towering over the narrowest part of the river, this slate rock has been the subject of numerous legends. The most famous tale speaks of a beautiful siren named Lorelei, who, with her mesmerizing song, lured sailors to their doom. Today, the echoes of her legend add a mystical quality to the serene beauty of the area, captivating the hearts of travelers. As the river continues its journey, it nurtures the vineyards that produce some of Germany's finest wines. This fruitful collaboration between nature and man adds yet another layer to the Rhine's romantic persona. The Rhine is not just a river, it's the soul of many tales. Step into Saxon, Switzerland, where the landscape transforms into a rocky wonderland. Nestled in eastern Germany, this region is a majestic display of nature's artistry, sculpted over millions of years into a labyrinth of towering sandstone cliffs, deep valleys, and awe-inspiring rock formations. Here, the Bastei Bridge stands as a crown jewel. This stunning structure, delicately arched over jagged rocks, offers panoramic views that stretch endlessly across the rugged terrain. The bridge itself is not just a feat of engineering, but a gateway to the past, tracing its origins back to the 18th century, when it was constructed to link numerous rocky promontories. For the adventurers and the spirited, Saxon Switzerland is a playground with no bounds. Rock climbers find paradise here, with over 1,000 climbing peaks that challenge both the novice and the expert. Each ascent rewards with breathtaking vistas and a sense of conquering the ancient world. Hiking enthusiasts are equally drawn to this rocky realm. Trails weave through the Saxon Switzerland National Park, leading explorers through silent forests, by murmuring streams, and up to vantage points that overlook vast, untouched landscapes. It's a place where you can wander for hours, lost in the natural beauty and historical whispers of the area. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the sandstone, the beauty of Saxon Switzerland is undeniable. Each view, each path tells a story of geological wonders and human persistence. Saxon Switzerland is a testament to nature's artistic prowess. Twist and turn through the Moselle Valley, famous for its serpentine river and tiered vineyards. Here, the Moselle River carves its way through hills dotted with small picturesque towns and villages, where ancient castles stand sentinel over the landscape. Among these, the town of Cochem deserves a special mention, with its quaint cobblestone streets and the majestic Cochem Castle perched high above the river, providing a panoramic view that captivates the heart. In the Moselle Valley, wine isn't just a beverage. It's a centuries-old tradition woven into the very fabric of the region. The steep slopes along the riverbanks are lined with rows upon rows of grapevines, primarily Riesling, known for producing wines with a fine balance of sweetness and acidity. The autumn harvest season here is a sight to behold, as the vineyards burst into vibrant hues of gold and red, and the air fills with the festive spirit of the wine festivals. The cultural tapestry of the Moselle Valley is rich and diverse. The region's history is deeply intertwined with the Roman Empire, evident from the ancient ruins and artifacts scattered throughout. The enduring legacy of Roman viticulture has shaped the wine-making practices that are still honored by local vintners today. Visitors to the Moselle Valley are treated not just to stunning views and exquisite wines, but to a journey through time, where each bend in the river tells a story of nature and nurture. The Moselle Valley blends natural beauty with a rich cultural heritage. As we conclude our scenic journey through Germany, which of these stunning locations captivated you the most? The beauty of Germany is as diverse as it is breathtaking. From the dense, whispering woods of the Black Forest to the soaring peaks of the Bavarian Alps, each location holds its own unique charm and story. The romantic Rhine carries the echoes of ancient poets and heroes, while Saxon Switzerland showcases nature's artistry with its dramatic rock formations. And let's not forget the serene curves of the Moselle Valley, with its picturesque vineyards that seem to stretch endlessly along the river bends. Now it's over to you. We'd love to hear which of these mesmerizing places you felt most drawn to. Drop a comment below and let us know. Or if there's another corner of the globe you're curious about, tell us which scenic area you'd like us to explore next. Your suggestions are always a beacon that guides our next adventures. And if you enjoyed this scenic excursion through Germany, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel to grow. Subscribing is another great way to stay connected and not miss out on any upcoming journeys. Every like, subscribe, and comment doesn't just support the channel, it also inspires us to bring even more of the world's stunning landscapes right to your screen. Your feedback fuels our journey to bring more beautiful landscapes to your screen. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.